Gia ekirugo KW'ABAKURUMI hoiboigo romurai kiama gia UDM David Maraga omochirie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza okwana sige ikaro aligania ase nyumba ya ufungamano aigaso mucho Nairobi. Maraga nigakwanire ensebunegendete asa mochirie na Kogikeria oborai bwa Ruto obwatebire bwabeire bokunereria abakenya ningo boigaruro kuburia guchia ABASAE KOENEKIA ABAKURUMI ngogenda bali inka asobochori buli bosio murikito etinyambane na mange
gukwana chinga kiarenge gukwanira ebitambukiro ense yaimokirie Maraga otuguteirare ebjetyo mwaka bwechiri bubere emerongebere ne 5 noyomo asatebire nige guchia koba OGOAKWA okonena saba Kenya. Maraga omochirie eserikali kuiba chibese cy'abananchi na gokonya abananchi gwetera chibese cyo.
I mean, corruption has reduced them to beggars in their own country. The extractive system has stripped millions of Kenyans of their dignity and their humanity, to the extent that one Mzee Ombui Orandi, a man nearly 100 years old, was trampled upon and killed when he was scrambling for 200 shillings that was being given by a local MP in Kisii, just shortly before President Ruto went to that area. You know, that's how this government works. You go to the area, pour money, and the people come. Before he goes, he has his henchmen who give money. And we have seen that those who come from Nyamira and the Kisii, you have seen people lining up and being given money. This Mzee was trampled upon and died. 200 shillings was the value of that elderly man. That tells you the depth to which we have fallen.
Chinga kiechio Maraga nigatebire okorire taro ase county ao na kumanya aria abakenya baganetie.
They recalled with grief the killing and maiming of our young people during the Gen Z protest of June and July 2024, and told us what that confirmed of the present government. They told us that the political class have little regard for human life. They told us that the political class do not respect court orders. They just ignore them with impunity. They told us that government documents, these days, they don't know which one to trust. Even title deeds, some of them are not what the papers they are printed on. They told us that public services, especially health and education, as I've said, have broken down completely. The escalation of fuel prices has confused quite a number of our people. They cannot understand how fuel can be cheaper in Uganda and yet it is being transported through Kenya. In Busia, the border operators told us that they are not buying fuel in Kenya anymore. They just go with the jerrycans through Panya routes and buy fuel from Uganda where it is cheaper.
Egati ya barai baikerana ngamona Martha Karua, Ruben Kigame na Caleb Amisi aseba kwa nero kubwaterana kwabo na David Maraga.
So I'm here confident. I know he's aiming for the presidency. Similarly, I am aiming, and many others. And we say competition is healthy. And in this country, nobody is going to make it without collaboration. Finding our ground on how to collaborate. The ultimate decision is yours, but the importance of today, a national conversation on issues that matter.
Jambo la kwanza nimekuja kutangaza kwamba mimi na Chief Justice Emeritus tunataka kutembea pamoja. Kwa sababu mioyo yetu na maadili yetu yanafanana. Na hakuna haja ya kureinvent the wheel.
And if Sifuna is not going to be a presidential candidate, the only person I will allow Sifuna to deputize is Maraga. Nobody else. Nobody else. You cannot be deputizing the same people you want to take out.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.